It is raining quite a bit now. We had a few days with not much rain, and now today it's supposed to be a lot of rain, and now it shows snow for a couple hours in the afternoon, and then we have no rain for like a week and a half, and then more snow after that. But I'm just hoping this afternoon we get snow because we need it and we want it. We had snow up in the mountains. We only had like one time this season that down here that it snowed a little tiny bit and never stuck or anything. It just kind of died off. But I cannot wait. I'm hoping and praying for snow. It's pretty wet out. The past week, or more than that, we've had so much rain. It's been crazy. I'm gonna go to town and try and work for a while, and then if it starts snowing, I'll come back, get snowed in for a day. But then after today, like I said, it's gonna be just cloudy and not really much precipitation for a week and a half or so. I just delivered DoorDash out here to the country, which we live in the country, not too far from here, outside of town, and just delivered to a dairy farm for the employees for DoorDash, and it's been trying to snow, and now it's almost snowing fully. It keeps changing, and it was supposed to snow between 2 and 4, so I might head home so I'm not caught in the snow trying to get home. This is going to be awesome. It snowed higher up on the mountains around here. You can see it. But then that was it. Nothing down lower on the lower mountains. So I stayed in town and didn't go home and just kept working. But after like a week and a half, it shows we could have some snow. So hopefully we will. Bye. But yeah, I'm just brushing my teeth and there's deer hanging out. Hey, there's a deer out there, Beanie? 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 Just hanging out by the cabin. Beanie, are we going for a walk? We had tons of rain and now we're having a week and a half or so of really nothing, just maybe some sprinkles and freezing every night. But then next week, I think starting on Saturday or Sunday or Monday and on, shows like rain and snow every day. So I'm hoping and praying. I cannot wait for the snow. We've waited so long. Compared to last year and the year before, we had snow before Christmas. Excuse me. I've just been door dashing during the week. I've been thinking about getting Beanie a little kitten friend. That way she could have some company during the day while I'm gone working. I don't know if I'll stay with DoorDash for too long, because it's kind of a waste with the wear and tear on your vehicle and gas, and it's kind of not worth it if you add up all the numbers. But there's lots of jobs on Indeed, and I keep looking at those, figuring out what I want to do, trying to figure out. I did retail for 16 years, and 13 and a half of it was retail management, with 3 years of, I was 10 years as an assistant manager, and then 3 years as a store manager, and then 3 years at the very beginning of my retail 16 years was a wedding store, right when I was finishing high school and out of high school. But I don't know if I should stick with retail of what I know or do something different. I never want to try food service, and I never want to do weddings again. But probably some type of management, because that's the experience I have. I had a pretty big fire going the other day. I had to move all the chairs back just in case. Beanie, it's kind of cold out here. So nice out. The sun comes out every once in a while, and then some clouds. Okay, I hear my brother's three-wheeler. Maybe he's coming over to visit. Bye, Beanie, I love you. Good girl. Can I kiss your chin? You're so cute. You're cute. You're cute. Oh, baby, I love you so much. You're such a good girl. Look at those diamonds. Look at those diamonds. What is that? I love you. Bye, Beanie. I love you.